Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rename a document on the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select the document that you would like to rename. So you should click on the this three dots icon next to the title of your chosen document, and then scroll down till you find this pencil icon and next to it saying rename. Click on this option and then you will be able to delete the name of your file and type in the name of your choice or the new title of the file. If you are done typing in the new name of the file, tap on the button rename down below. So now as you can see, it has been renamed, so this function has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.